Designs by Castillo. Turnkey metal fence repair services. With a thorough assessment, we carry out disassembly with precision. Before starting, we inspect for any damages and identify potential issues, finding solutions to address them proactively. We perform high-quality welding repairs and/or replacement of structural parts. Then apply a high-quality powder coating to fence panels, ensuring a durable and attractive finish. Finally, we replace any necessary hardware and reassemble fencing to ensure optimal functionality. Ready to get started? Contact Designs by Castillo today to learn more about our services.